Here you are, sir. Steak medium well, just like you requested.
Oh my god.
He thinks I can't see him. Don't even try that. You're my boy.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Yo, this is insane. I have finally caught the Mediterranean beef squid. Man, like, look at this thing, bro. Fluorescent pink. They only come out at night for sunset. They hunt guinea pigs on the shore, so you guys will definitely see this in Nat Geo coming up soon. They have blowholes. You ever see a Mediterranean beef squid with a blowhole? Insane, bro. These tentacles, bro, they're detachable. They come off, but they come back. You know, so like sometimes when they feel threatened by boats and jet skis and stuff, they let their tentacles go, but they can come home like, you know, like E.T. They have like a sensor. It's
Oh, there's some new human activity. Oh man, brother, how you walking a bird, man? Come on, he walking a goose, mother goose. Brother walking mother goose. I gotta go. I gotta go, mother goose. He flew him across the street. And he got down and started walking, man. Brother, come on.
That's legit.
Hey, Ross, what a cute little lizard I got. And I got him on sale. Yes, I did.
Hey, Grandma,
Hello.
that's not a lizard, okay? You should probably drop that leash and run the other way, okay?
Shall I?
Yeah.
Run.
How many times did I say don't flood the house? Oh my God! Hey, Cookie, no! No, Cookie, you're gonna drown! No! Come here! No! Stop! No! Get out of the bathroom!
Well, shit. What are y'all doing? Screwing?
Wakanda forever!
And Sir Pounce. It's Mother's Day. Be nice. Yeah. Yeah, be nice.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
This is my baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch
I
it.
ain't no baby, all right? And people can touch me if they want to.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that bitch.
Hey Frankie, did you hear? The neighbor's dog got pregnant. Do you know anything about this?